All right, so we had a one-night stay here at this Hampton Inn in Mahwah, New Jersey. It is right on Route 17. As you can see, it's pretty busy, Route 17 out there. So what that gives us, interestingly enough, is it's a little noisy. Even on the back of the room, I wasn't in the way back, but if you're looking for a quieter place, I would definitely say ask for a room that's way in the back. So this hotel is really tired, but then again, it's cheap, and that's why I stayed here. The room I had was so musty smelling. I had to have the air conditioner on just to not get that musty, moldy smell out of it. The carpets in the hotel are really dirty. All right, so what did we get? We have a double queen with a pull-out sofa. It looks good. We're on the south side, I believe, southeast side of the building. When I opened the door, it was a little musty in here, and I can understand that because there's no way to open this window over here. So I've turned the air on, so we'll see how that is. So let's have a look here. Oh, looks like there might have been a little puppy dog here. A couple of dog treats there. So as you know, we'll look into the sofa to see if there's anything there. The good news, underneath the sofa bed is nice and clean. You know, that's something that we have found in previous properties. So it looks nice and clean in there. So win for that. Tear in the sofa there. So as I said, the room is tired. So microwave, refrigerator, coffee maker, just like they often do in all Hampton Inns. So flat screen TV. See over here. All right, so it does have USB-A's and regular plugs, which is nice. A clock that is set, about 2 hours and some odd, 2.5 hours ahead. Pretty basic Hampton Inn. This Hampton Inns are what you expect. There is no safe in the closet, though there is ironing board and an iron, plenty of wooden hangers, which is nice. The bathroom looks very good. Now, what's interesting is they have the Neutrogena products right here, very good, but they also have 0% naturally kind formation on the walls. The body lotion is there, and over here they have shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner, and also there is soap here as well. So there was obviously something there that got pulled out of the wall, didn't get replaced. So this place is definitely tired. What's nice is they have a little nightlight. I've got to say, I've been in a couple of hotels recently. They've had night lights in them, and I kind of say I like that. All right, so we always do our shower test. There's plenty of water down there, and plenty of water up here. This is adjustable, so you can adjust it there. The one thing I will say about the shower, it's nice that it has the grab bar in there and a flat bottom, but that grab bar is right where you stand, so it's either goosing you or it's in your elbow or whatever. Now, honestly, I thought it was interesting that this hotel had both boxed and bottled shampoo, but it also has the pump product on the wall. And of course, any teenage boy will go nuts if you say gel douche, which is shower gel, which you see around there. But those were pretty good products. I hadn't used that 0% before. That was very good. They have a nice big fitness center on the second floor. Looks like it's basically the size of 2 rooms. Plenty of walking machines, some free weights over there, and of course cycles. So lots there. Fresh towels. What do we have over here? So how much did we pay for this room? So we paid $153 $53 plus $22.83 in tax, so $176.36 is the expense. So that's why we chose this, because it's cheap. $176. In the old days, you get one of these hotel rooms at $79 a night. Paying for it out of my own pocket, so I try to get something that I can get points on through my Hilton points, and also our Hilton Honors points. Get my points on it through my Hilton Honors points, and also for a good price. And this is northern New Jersey, up near the top of the state, up near the New York state line, and we're going to be in New York State tomorrow, so that's why we chose this hotel. Place is kind of a mess, so I'm only going to give this maybe half a thumb up, maybe a thumb. I don't know. Thumb because of price, half a thumb because of condition. So if you're going to be up here and looking for a cheap place to stay, yeah, it's okay. But check around. Thanks. We'll talk to you soon on our next adventure on Queer4Travel. So here we are at the Hampton Inn in Mahwah, New Jersey, right on Route 17. We'll give you an address down below. Hampton Inn and Suites, Mahwah, New Jersey, 290 Route 17 South, Mahwah, New Jersey, 07430, 201-828-2301. And it has a fax as well, so you know it's very up to date. You know, the bathroom worked out very well. It is tired, though. It is very, very tired. But the hotel, the whole room is tired. This thing should have been renovated a while back. And one of the other things that I think is interesting is whoever cleaned it, you know, these little bits of pet kibble were on the sofa. So I don't know what that is. There is a feral cat outside, so maybe it was for them. I don't know. Bye-bye.